So guys, this is the hotel that I'm staying. This is Hotel Radoli Heritage Guesthouse. And this place is, look at it. I don't have to tell you guys in words, right? Look. This Asian Indian woman. So to tell you guys a story, so these, the rulers of these area were Maharajas, and their wives are called as Maharanis. So I had to find my Maharani because now I am Maharaja Jeremy Singh. Look at it, guys. The old carvings. Wow, look at it, it's beautiful. And Maharaja Jeremy Singh for you guys. And even look at this. This hotel really has this Rajasthani, kick to it. I'm gonna go that way. It's my Zigo. So guys, this is my room. Before I mess this bed to sleep, of course, then it's gonna be a mess. So this is my room. You got a TV, you got a cupboard, you got an air conditioned old style, retro style, you got these stuff. And yeah, you got a mirror, and then the bathroom, hot water. It's good. And I am paying around 1,500 Indian rupees. I think that is $20 per night. Yeah, $20 to $22 per night. It even got an elevator, as you saw in the video of the way that I celebrated Diwali with the Indian family. Now I'm going to the third floor to grab my breakfast, and I'll show you a bit of the third floor. And then I'll go down, because downstairs it goes swords and all kinds of these shields. And they even got these Maharajas, there was 2 Maharajas, and there's a long history in this hotel. So I'll try to get a bit of details about it as well. As I told you guys about these swords, look at this. There is I think these, wow, the gun is pretty old. So as far as I know, for the details of this hotel is that there's this guy, he was a Maharaja, and then he descends from a Maharajan family, and then the family goes down, and this is the manager. So the family goes down, and then, but first let me get my breakfast, and then I'll tell you the story. Type of Indian bread. What is the name of this?
Puri.
Puri. Okay. I'm gonna have 3 puri. Then I have. Look at these balls, man. Look at it. Does that look spicy enough for y'all? That's how we do it. This is dal. Okay. Now, then we have some rice with some cashew and peanuts. What is this?
Poha.
Poha. You have the poha rice now. Alright. Then I go in for my spoon. Put it in. Chai.
Chai is ready, sir.
Okay, you give me a try. Okay. Good breakfast, isn't it? now that is done, let's go check out the hotel. So guys, this is Thakur ZORAWAR Singh, and from his family, the family line descends, and then that's how they come to Jaipur, and that's how this hotel has come up. And you know, his great grandson owns this place, and that's the doctor who Sardar Singh. That's the doctor who owns this property, and yeah, as you can see, badass guns, huh? You know, they are the warriors. Radoli are the warriors. Radoli are the warriors, right? Radoli are the warriors. So they got pretty much badass stuff over here, and it's a beautiful, lovely hotel. And at the reception, they even have shields. Check this out. It's lovely. Oh, they even have a baby nice antique chair. And a nice sofa. What do you guys think? Nice sofa, isn't it? Hey. Went up over here. We have a beautiful staircase which leads to. Let me go show it for you guys, just for you guys. Beautiful pictures of this place. Oh, this is the fort. Asian times. Oh, there's a tiger. Tiger 1998. A year after that I was born. So this must. Oh, I'm sure this may be around the areas of Jal Mahal. Wow. Look at this place, guys. Incredible, isn't it? And even the roof. I'm feeling like a Maharaja while staying here. And now when you go outside of this hotel, this wanna say hi to my new friend? You have this big gun. What do you guys think? Boom. Nice, isn't it? Elephants, Radoli, as they are Radoli, as their family descends from the Radoli dynasty, I could call it. I don't know if it's the correct word, dynasty, but yeah, Radolis were the warriors, and even the owner is a big, huge guy. It's a lovely thing. So now I'm gonna pay the hotel. It's $22 per night. Good Wi-Fi, great internet. What do we have here? Look at it. Oh my god, I've never seen such a big plate full of food. Well, I had one in Japan, the northern part of Sri Lanka, but it wasn't something like this. And here's my waiter. Please do come and explain what this is. Explain me what is this?
This is a Jodhpuri Thali, sir.
A Jodhpuri Thali.
Explain, sir.
Yeah.
This is green chili.
Green chili?
Rajasthani culture, agriculture is big.
Yeah. Okay, that one.
And this is gatta curry.
Gatta curry.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is grand flour.
Oh, okay.
And this is dal.
This is dal, yes.
And cheese and paneer.
Seasoned
Cheese
paneer.
and- yeah.
Paneer, and this is
Yeah, this is curd.
curd. And
And
paneer is like cheese.
Yeah,
Mixed
yeah,
with cheese.
it is cheese.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
the gravy is thick and tomato-based gravy.
Okay, so it's time for me to dig in.
This is onion and
Onion.
tomatoes.
What is inside this?
This is chapati.
Chapati.
Indian
Yes,
broad
Indian bread.
Yeah,
Yes. All right. So let me go dig into this. Here you go. What do you guys think of the plate? Good.
You like the spicy food?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can handle a bit of spicy, but not much.
This is very spicy. You know,
This
garlic sauce is very spicy.
Ah,
but
but-
not hot. Is little bit hot. So how is taste?
The first bite was, this is spicy.
Yeah, it was in bread, Indian bread.
Yeah, let me try some paratha. It's gonna be good. Yeah, paratha wrapped up.
It's a traditional dish in gatta curry.
Gatta
In
curry. Sir.
Rajasthan.
Oh wow, gatta curry.
Yeah.
Oh, I trust my man. This hotel is really good. I mean, like. What is this? this?
This is your sweet and
Oh, this is my sweet Gulab Jamun.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. And I've got my. So after I complete this meal, I'm gonna wash it down with this called Gulab Jamun. I got it in Air India flight as well. Gulab Jamun, which a lot of you guys was.
Is it more like than a spoon?
No, I'll just have it like this,
Okay.
the Indian way. So this is Gata
Gram flour.
Grand Flour.
Yeah.
How is it made?
What?
What was inside, potato or?
No. This is the Indian gravy. You know, touch and some coriander, whole coriander, and cumin seeds, onion, tomatoes.
So this
And curd.
paratha is fresh, homemade.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm cooking here. In
In the kitchen. So you're the chef.
kitchen. Yeah.
Awesome. This is very good. As you guys can see on my hands, it is fully dripped in gravy. Look at this chunk of paneer. I love paneer, man. This paneer is so tasty. I've tried it even like outside at some restaurants, but this one, ooh. What do we have here? You guys know what it is. It's Gulab Jamun. So it's an Indian sweet that everybody loves. Of course, I do love this. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Super brown, I'm sure it's sugary. Maybe some honey. It's going for my first bite in this Gulab Jamun. Guys, this Gulab Jamun, I think they've just made it. It's literally warm. There you go, it's warm, it's really warm. Warm but wow. Oh. The Rajasthani Thali was bomb. It was so good. So guys, in total, well, I had some, Thali, Gulab Jamun, and then there was this like a double cheese sandwich, lemon iced tea, and then there was aloo paratha and some other food, or I think this is egg paneer or something, egg paneer curry that I had. And then my room prices, the first initial was for 3,030, then I got a 30 rupees discount for 3,000, and then the food cost, and then it came to 6,680. 6,680 it came up to. Not a bad deal. Very good. I stayed 4 days over here. It was a lovely stay. Thank you for taking care of me. See you.